Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a short tip about doors. So let me switch the camera and get you to the details. So here we go. Before actually mounting your final cover over here, because of course the door will not be left like this. It's a fully wooden door, by the way, wooden door with the wooden how do you call this? The finish that is made out of natural wood, so that's how it looks with the magnet locks. In any case, so once you have your foam being here, you cut it out. You cut it out so to make it really like smooth. You have to actually protect it because what's the main purpose of this thing? The main purpose is to provide, not only to just hold the door, but also to provide the sound insulation and whatever other insulation is possible. And to actually make it work absolutely seamlessly and perfectly, you have to ensure that this foam will last for a long period of time, because you're not going to replace your doors for maybe next 20 years, 30 years, I don't know. Somebody maybe is changing the door every 10 years or every 5 years, then you don't have to care. But for those who really want to make them last longer and to work better, so you see the surface. It's really very porous and it's really prone to any UV light or whatever. So this has to be covered as soon as possible. But one thing should be done prior, and let me show you how exactly it looks once we worked. So let's go upstairs very quickly. And here you go. So this foam is already sealed. You see how very different the structure is. You see? The thing is that it is covered with the acrylic layer. And that's the main difference how it looks. The same acrylic thing that you use to actually cover your foam on the windows over the edges before actually mounting something else, like putting plaster on or the, how do you call it, the drywall. So before doing this, you have to also cover these things from excess moisture, excess rain from that side, from outer side, and from the moisture from inner side, so that the foam is ensured to be working absolutely perfectly. And that same thing exactly applies to the door. You have to seal this. You have to seal this, otherwise your foam will not be lasting as long as it can. It's a very simple thing. Let me find you. Oh, here it is. So basically, it's a bucket. It can be in tubes, it can be in a bucket. And then it's like this. It's acrylic liquid, specific plaster, acrylic based to basically put on the foam. How do you apply it? Use a spatula or use a, I don't know, maybe a thin brush, and that will be it. So I have still halfway to do, so the second floor is done and the first floor is still on the way. But as you may definitely see, this thing ensures protection pretty amazingly. It's got a very different structure, all the pores are sealed, and the foam will be kept for way longer time. That's basically how it works and what it's meant to. So here's the tip, and let me know if that's interesting for you. I will share more. Yeah, and I forgot the main thing. So this is what exactly the thing is. So as you may see, it's one component acrylic vapor barrier sealant for interior use. In my case, it's a Turkish manufacturer. I don't know, maybe you can find something locally on your market. Basically, it's for windows, but it's also working for any kind of application like this I'm showing you with the doors. That's it, guys. Bye, and see you later.